Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sort Yahoo Mail by size. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Yahoo Mail does not currently offer a true sort by size feature for most users. In the sort menu, you'll usually only see options like newest, oldest, sender, or attachments. Some newer versions may show a largest first option, but it is not available for everyone. Instead, the easiest way to find large emails is by using the attachments. Open Yahoo Mail and type "has attachment" in the search box. Or go to Sort menu and select Attachments. This will filter your inbox and show only emails that contain attachments. This works because attachments are usually the main reason emails take up more storage. After the results appear, look through the list for emails showing larger attachment sizes, especially files measured in MB instead of KB. Photos, videos, and PDFs are usually the biggest files. You can also check messages with multiple attachments because they often use more space. If file sizes are not visible, use the sender name, subject line, and attachment type to identify larger emails. And that's it. So that's basically how you can sort Yahoo Mail by size. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!